In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to install ArcGIS 10.8 smoothly without error. Okay, so here is my downloading file, ArcGIS 10.8 file. Okay, so to do that, I will first of all create a folder where I want to extract my ArcGIS to. Although you can extract the file in a default folder, but I want to create. So to do that, I will navigate to where I want to create my folder. Okay, here is where I want to create my folder. Okay, so after doing that, I will go back to the raw file. Okay, I will copy the file to that particular folder. I will right click on it, come to copy, and copy the file to that folder. Okay, I will come over here, I will paste the folder here. Okay, after doing that, I will right click on the folder to open it and extract it. Okay, when I open it, this will come up. You will ask for a password. I will insert 123. During downloading, they will give you the password. Okay, I will double click on it to extract. Okay, we come to extract selected folder. Okay, so I will navigate to where I have my folder. Okay, I will come over there and click on it and click on OK to extract my file. I will wait for it for some time for the file to extract. Okay, okay, I'm done with the extraction. Okay, so after doing that, this will come up. I will navigate to the folder that I want to install my ArcGIS 10.8. So I will search for the folder and click on it, click on OK. Okay, to choose the folder, click on next. Okay, I will click on close. Okay, I will click on next again to continue my extraction. I will accept the master's agreement. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on next. Click on next. Okay, I will wait for it for some time for the installation to complete. Okay, you can see that it is running. Okay, it will take some few seconds. Okay, I will click on finish, then click on OK. Click on OK again. Okay, so after doing that, I will go back to where I have my file. Okay, I click on the extracted file. Okay, click on crack. You see AF core. I click on it and copy it. Okay, then scroll down to where I have my folder. Okay, scroll down to local disk, then to program file x86. Okay, then I will see ArcGIS 10.8. Click on it to open, then go to bin and paste it. Okay, this will come up. I will replace it. Click on continue. Okay, so I'm done with the installation. So I will search for my ArcGIS to open it. Okay, so I will come over here and search for ArcGIS. Okay, so here is our ArcGIS. Okay guys, that is how to download and install ArcGIS 10.8. okay, you can see that it is loading. So I will open the interface to show you how it look like. Okay, so here is our ArcGIS. Okay, so you can see the interface.